When I first started filmmaking, I bought my dream production car in hopes that one day I'd rig this out to the max.
But that all changed with DJI's Osmo Pocket 3 and SmallRig's mini shock absorber mount. So let's go ahead and go over the tools you're gonna need to get dope rolling car shots using your Osmo Pocket 3.
The camera tools. Of course, the Osmo Pocket 3, a set of ND filters, the mini shock absorber mount, suction mount, shock absorption arm, extension arm, extra plate mount, counterweight, and Allen wrench. Shout out to SmallRig for sending this over for a collab. The pre-clean step. You want to make sure you go through either a full car wash or just use a Speed Shine car solution with a microfiber cloth on all the spots you plan on mounting your camera. Griot's makes the best cleaner. The 3-step setup. Step 1, suction down the cup mount. Step 2, attach the shock absorption arm and find the perfect position. Step 3, insert your Osmo Pocket 3. And that's pretty much it. You'll want to repeat this as you go along your shoot on the different spots you pre-cleaned on your vehicle. Make sure you suction it down pretty good. Adjust the arm and tighten the Osmo to the mount before setting up your next shot. This setup is so easy. It makes getting what would normally take a team 45 minutes to rig up using professional cinema cameras about 45 seconds all on your own. Here are some of the settings I would recommend using different frame rates on when editing in a 24 frames per second timeline.
So now you really don't need a big Jeep like this to pull that off. You can really use any car. At least a big Rubicon like this will make a beast of a run when it comes to getting coffee before a shoot.
If you want to see more behind the scenes of the music video I filmed using this exact setup, make sure to go check out the channel as it's now live. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below. And lastly, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm just gonna